Hey guys, good morning. I'm Rinske Douna, and last year I was very much into blues, and apparently this year I'm very much into pink. So I had made that one, and also I made a triptych with the pink, black and gray. So after I posted that video, also it was a huge success. I had so many emails from you asking about the colors and if I wanted to make commission pieces. Yeah, so today I'm gonna make a commission piece as well. It's a triptych, it's sort of the same. It's the sister of my neighbor and I've been to her house. So the last one I did, I will show it here, had a lot of black also in between. But I think for her house it would work with a bit more metallics in the middle and that the colors are a little bit warmer. So that's something we're going for here today. I can't wait, so let's go. All right, I'm really looking forward to this. And let me start with the pink. And here. And here. Okay, and then let's go with black. Okay, so let me pour here just a little bit more of the pink. Okay, and I will start with every color in gold. Then a few drops of white. Not that much. And then of course the colors that are missing in the splits. So there's some black, here's some gray. Would be great if this would work out the same. And then here's some pink. Ooh, that's a lot of pink. I think that's gonna be nice. But we'll see. And let's end with copper, maybe here a little bit more black, by the way. And with copper. Okay, so let's pour a little bit of the colors against the colors. I really hope this works the same. Not that it was a lucky shot the other time. Okay, and then the pink. It's so messy doing this. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm gonna blow the colors over first. Okay, and let's start blowing this out. I will go this way first. Alright, I'm not happy with this one. This one is stunning. I really like that. Okay, so this one is cool already too. These two are super cool. These two, no, that doesn't look good. Okay, so this part, what I blowed, looks very good. Okay, so here I'm gonna take some parts off. I really need to do that. Okay, that's way more like it. Yeah, that one is cool now as well. Alright, but I feel like this needs to go too. Oh, this is even more stunning than the other one. I'm gonna torch this. Just a little bit. Alright, yeah, that's more than enough. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna bring you up for a close-up because this is stunning. Well, I know she will love this a lot. This one really needed work, but it's beautiful. I think if this one was single, I wouldn't like it that much, but in combination, it's gorgeous. You know, this one. Oh, I can stare at this for hours, I think. What is it with this color combination? It's striking. You know, that cell clutter there in the middle. That's copper. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, pretty happy. Well, I would love to hear what you think. And do you want to see more of these? Because I still have some commission pieces for this. But I thought maybe that will get boring. So let me know. And I'll see you next time.